Yo guys, today pala is February 8, Sunday, and I'm gonna go sa Antigua Bunker. And I hope makarating ako doon and maka-fly na maayos. So I'm just gonna wait for the bus here. So yeah, let's go. We'll wait for the bus. Hey, sheesh. Nice, nice. So guys, dito na lang ako daan. Ayun yung bus, binabahan ko. Tapos dun sana ako dadaan, pero kita ko naman connected siya here. Tapos ang daming tao. So, parang mall to. Malaking mall. I think it's a... Ang dami yung nadaanan na namin, nadaanan na... Tawag dun, car shops, car company, ganun. Grabe. Tapos, yeah, I think mall to. Yan, lupit. Ayos ang Sony guys. Sheesh. Madaan ako. So yan, titignan ko lang ano meron. So yeah. Guys, tanga. Pumunta ako sa taas nun. Basta lumubog ako. Popo. Tanga. Panasan muna natin guys bago lumala. Malapit na ako, I can see the bangko. Shush! Sarap siguro magpalipad ng ano dito. Kite. Hangin no? Pet. Not too far kung saan ako nalobo. And then boom. I'm so professional guys. Like ang galing kong mandumi ng sapatos no. I'm so like pro. Tapos santang ako, nag-white ako. I don't know why. Wala! Bobo! I'm so dumb. Shit. Crazy ah. Mamaya ako nung punasan pa-uwi. Para, yeah. Tanga! Tanga! Nice. I kind of fucked up kung saan ako tumakas. Akala ko it would be best here. Pero, I'm gonna go back sa road. Ang lubo pala. Like, ang muddy ng this. So, sobrang nalubo yung paa ko whenever I step on this. So, I'm try to go back to safety. Ito medyo matigas kasi kanina, so tinuloy ko. Pero doon it was so wet. Akala ko it was better than this. So, mali ko rin at nag-white shoes ako. At yung tao. Dito dapat, ayan. Malapit na yung tapos doon pa ako dumaan. Oh, talagang daanan ng kotse. Buo rin sige, see you guys. So, hey guys. Follow me. I'm gonna go to the bunker. Ayusin natin yung Ayun na lang, dyan na lang. Yan yung bunker, oh. No, it's the tree. Wait, let me move you guys. Wait, how do you do this? There. Ayun, oh. You see the bunker over there? That's the bunker. Don't move too much. Stay there. Ayan. So, follow me guys. Ayun yung bunker. Ikot na lang ako dito. Kasi malubo to. I hope not. Oh, hindi na malubo dito guys. Yay. I'll just go straight for it. Let's go! Stay there, guys. The drone following me. Hello, pet. Hello, pet. Gang. Let's go. Lapit na. Water. Let's put it again on the back. There you go. Nice. Nice, man. Here we go. We're close. Oops, nagiging malubo na naman. Let's put you a little bit higher. Pwede ba? Height. Ano? Well, yan lang yung high niya. Okay. Ayan. So this is it? Bro, what the hell? Bro, this is it? This is it? Only it? Grabe! Ayun, drone. Ang cute! Minove ko lang yung drone. Grabe! I'll go inside later. Let's go on top. Wapa! Guys! Crazy! Damn! Grabe yung wind resistance niya, guys! Ang lupit! Look at that wind resistance, guys! Damn! Damn! Damn, Neo! Okay, come back. Come back, Neo. Neo, come back. Come back, Neo. Come back, Neo! You can do it! You can do it, Neo! Neo, you can do it! You can do it! Come on! Come on, Neo! You can do it! Yeah, no! Come on, you can do it! Oh, sobrang hangin kasi, guys. No joke. Yay! Neo! Neo did it! Neo did it! Ah! Neo did it! Lupit! Ah! Neo did it! Ah! Lupit! So, guys, the drone is a monster. Look at this wind. But bro is tanking it, bro. Like, damn, nice, Neo. So yeah, eto. So, sobrang liit lang naman pala niya. Yeah. Let's try and explore inside. Okay, let's go inside. I think it would be a mess. Damn. This shit is crazy. Let's turn on the lights. Damn, bro. Someone freaking lived here, bro. Someone lived here. There's a bed. The outside. This was a real bunker, dude. Damn. She's crazy, bro. Well, that's the inside. Damn. Let's go now. Oh. Well, that was the inside. That was a little bit scary, but kinaya naman, guys. So let's just take my time here, chill for a bit, and then yeah, nice. Ito wala kasi yung hangin, guys. Like sa sobrang lakas na hangin, nag-spin na yung blades. Crazy. Like, is he? Ano ka siya? Hey, so katapos ko lang mag-fly ng Neo 2. I'll try to fly my C2X. Alam ko hindi niya kakayanin to. Sobrang windy, yung siguro mangyayari lang sa kakalabanin ko lang yung wind, pero I wanna try. And yeah. First thing to do is to record. Okay, napindot ko na record. So right about where? Kailan ba mag-start to? Tagal. Now, kita nyo na sana yung sa it would fly away. Okay. Ooh, it can do it. Orbit. Ooh! Nahihirapan mag-orbit. Okay, steady. Oh, naka-steady lang siya doon, okay. Orbit. Let's try and wait dito sa tabi ko. And hopefully you can see him. So I'm there. Hindi ko kaya yung nakatingin dito. Kaya naman. Bruh. Nililipad agad no? Kaya naman, pag full throttle, never mind. So the battery is like, no bro! Flip. Okay. Orbit. Ay, yung papalik ko. La. Front flip. Side flip. Spiral. You should be careful not to land it somewhere sa grass. I mean, it's okay, pero some parts kasi is mainit yung battery. Why? Paano ba naman ang lala? Ang yung motor niya is na-murder. The motor is like, no bruh, stop. Like, can you not see? Kita nyo naman siguro sa damit ko na it's so windy as crazy. Orbit. I cannot do an orbit properly. Like, you can see, even doing a flip is hard. Nawapos yung battery! Nawalan mo. Bro was dying. Bro was like, put me down! Put me down, man! The wind! Let's go, guys. I'm gonna go look at the drone first. It's hard for me to control because the wind is like against. Hey, drone. Okay, sa may harap sa akin. Okay siya na kung nasa harap. I could so no, it's okay. I'll just fly the drone. It's windy, guys, so yeah, bear with me. We gotta be careful sa battery, guys, kasi I don't want for it na mag-blackout ulit siya kasi sa volts. Dirty wind. Landed over there. So the drone kind of flew away. It kind of flew away a bit. So, okay, let's retrieve it. Ayun, guys, success ang ating trip papunta dito. And time next, it's 4:42 and I'm gonna go home na. Siguro daan muna ako sa mall there. So yeah, it was nice but so windy. I got some footage of the drone and okay naman. Yun, noise good. Bye bye.